a new perspective on the coronavirus. Am I going to get the virus? Will I die from the virus? How long do I have to be in lockdown? So demystifying all these questions. Even this morning, I had a friend calling from Delhi, and apparently they were all worried if they go out to buy something, they would get the virus, and they're really young and healthy people. And we would need 25 lakhs for the treatment. All this is nonsense, let me tell you this. Because initially there were things people did not understand about the virus. So even everyone who gets it does not really get symptoms. Even in Tamil Nadu, 90% of the patients are asymptomatic. My friend Dr. Rohaya has said everyone is lying there in the hospital like they're on a holiday, playing games on their phone, and really these are the poorest of poor people. There's no air conditioning even. The windows are open, they're completely healthy. So really our body knows how to process any infection, whether it's bacterial or viral. And then the other thing is, what about your age? If you're 70, 80, 90. So there is a joke about this 99-year-old man who was interviewed by a reporter. And then the reporter told him, I hope you're there next year when I come back to interview you. And he looked at the reporter and said, why, is there something the matter with you? You look healthy, young man. And I'm certain you'll come back the next year. That's the kind of positivity we need to have. So what's the percentages that we may die from the virus? It's like a coconut falling on my head when I walk on the streets. That is how rare it is. Or meeting the love of your life on an airplane. This is how ridiculous if you're worrying about things which are not going to happen. So if you're doing your grocery shopping, do everything at one time. So you're not going out often, yes, but there's no need to be afraid as well. And ventilator is not a bad word. Initially they thought it was a pneumonia, and the settings were all wrong, and that's why the mortality was so high, because the doctors were hit by this so suddenly that they did not really understand that this was something like a blood flu. What it does is, it goes to the 1-beta chain of the hemoglobin and disassociates the iron, and then the porphyrin goes and gets deposited in the lungs, and you have microthrombi and breaking of little capillaries, and a lot of complications from this is what we understand now. But not everyone is going to get these complications. So there is no need to think and worry about everything, because I hear people, you have to buy this, you have to buy that and protect yourself. You don't really need to, because a simple hand wash is still one of the main things which can protect you. And of course, how long is this lockdown going to be? Do you disbelieve in us doctors and scientists? I promise you this, we are all working really, really hard. I was speaking with Dr. Anilji, who heads the research in the biggest university in Durban in South Africa. And they're actually studying the viral loads. They have made their own tests for quick diagnosis of patients with the coronavirus. And it's surprising how the patient who's elderly with the kidney transplant is absolutely healthy, who has cleared the virus much faster than someone who's much younger and who doesn't have the virus. And the good news is, in Italy, in the UK, the incidence of diagnosis, mortality, everything has come down. People are getting much healthier. And sometimes we work until 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning in the research labs, in the hospitals as doctors. We are all looking for cures for you. And I promise you this, we can smell it, we can see it just around the corner. So really don't be afraid that, even if you get it, it's really not the end of the world. You will not get onto a ventilator. And even if you do, ventilator is not a bad word. We as doctors in the medical community, we are here to help you. So please feel free to share this with everyone. So, because the fear is the greatest killer at the moment. People are secreting so much cortisol from being unhealthy and being fearful. That is causing more diseases than the virus itself. So let's break each myth, let's demystify everything we're afraid of. Together, not just the virus, we will come out much healthier. And you have been home during this lockdown, so you have been eating healthier food. There's been no junk food, not so much of restaurant food. And again, you've been with your loved ones, you've been exercising, you've been doing everything which is good for you, sitting out in the sun. So your immune system is actually at its peak now. There's absolutely no reason for you to stress or panic. Whether you're young or old, you are definitely protected. And I wish you great health and happiness. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also don't forget to ring the bell button, because soon we will be coming to much shorter offerings, and I'm sure you can share this and a lot of people will benefit. Take care, be safe.